Please, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Duong.
He's so mad, but he won't give up spaghetti. No, he won't have it. He knows he keeps on forgetting that mom's spaghetti's dope. He knows.
The other night, I decided to make mom's spaghetti. I'm at the grocery store, and there's this giant wall of pasta. Spaghetti, fettuccine, fusilli, there's so many. And I realized the different pastas cling to ingredients differently. For example, spiral-shaped fusilli pasta clings to more sauce than spaghetti. And there's something else where shape matters a lot too. Nature's created proteins shaped like different types of pasta. Proteins are involved in almost all biological processes in all living cells. And the different protein shapes have specific functions, like how different pastas cling to ingredients differently. Here at the Joint Genome Institute, we're investigating how protein shape affects function. I'm researching proteins involved in photosynthesis. It's an important, complex biological process all around us, and we can apply what we learn to, for example, create more resilient food crops. I'm also focusing on proteins in this green alga above. It's photosynthetic, like plants, and easy to cultivate. I'm using AI tools to predict the protein structures of unknown genes in this green alga and investigate how they may be involved in photosynthesis. Essentially, I compare protein structures to predict function. It's like comparing spiral fusilli pasta with other spiral fusilli. Which parts of the protein look like? In the above example, the gray protein is an unknown protein of interest. The yellow protein is a known photosynthesis protein, and it functions to assemble other known photosynthesis proteins. By aligning and comparing these two, I'm able to show that the gray unknown possibly has the same or similar function to the yellow known protein. We can validate this experimentally as well. Combining analyses of protein sequences and structures in experiments allows me to tackle these difficult questions. How does protein shape affect function? How are these proteins involved in photosynthesis? It's like asking, why does spiral fusilli pasta cling to more sauce? I demonstrate this with the previous example. There's just so many useful applications we can obtain from understanding the relationship between protein structure and function in photosynthesis. And we can apply this to areas such as the genetic enhancement of food crops, the generation of sustainable biofuels, and the list goes on. The possibilities are endless. And if you have a bowl of pasta tonight, I hope you think of proteins.